Alright, so hi, hello students, how are you? I hope you are preparing for NEET 2024 well. And if not 2024, probably 2025 and not beyond than this. However, if you started early and even 25 is not going to be your attempt, then hats off to your dedication that you are putting up towards your efforts for your ultimate goal of adding a DR in front of your name. Lot of discussions around the corner for the updated syllabus. NTA has issued some chapters are there, some are not there. Updated syllabus, reduced syllabus, multiple things are being discussed about. Okay, what would be a part of the syllabus, what would not be a part of the syllabus? Will something which is a mix of the two chapters, will the questions come, will they not come? So although there are so many open points also till now, because a lot of chapters are not much clarified to be honest, and the reduced syllabus, it is gonna be very difficult to fetch the required part of the reduced syllabus. Because if you just as an example, we are removing periodic classification, which is the basis of periodic table, right? How many groups, how many groups, periods, S block, P block, D block, F block, everything basics of it, and then we are removing this chapter and still we are retaining a part of P block, a part of D block. So ultimately we need those basics which are being dealt in periodic classification. So that way still there are open points as such. But yes, whatever NTA has issued, let us focus only on that syllabus when we are preparing it for the exam. When we do previous year questions, when we do question practice for the chapter from the NCRT or other sources, we will read it completely, not a problem. But when it comes to your prime focus towards the goal, we will only be focusing on the revised NTA syllabus that NTA has issued for NEET 2024. It is available on the NTA's website also, from which I have taken. We will discuss about it in next 5 minutes on how do we do it, but that is how it should be done. Right? Quickly starting with that, just a quick recap. When we go to the 11th class, 11th has two NCRTs, book 1 and book 2. 12th has two NCRTs, book 1 and book 2. When we talk about 11th, mole concept, atomic, periodic, bonding, states of matter, thermo and equilibrium. 7 chapters in book 1. Then book 2 we have redox, hydrogen, S block, P block. The first P block one basically. Then GOC, hydrocarbons and everyday chemistry. Right? What should we say? Environmental chemistry. To total 14 chapters are there in class 11. Right? 14 chapters close to. So now those 14 chapters, what remains valid, what doesn't remain valid, we will quickly, 15 rather, because hydrogen is also a chapter there. So that way we have to see. Correct. Now you see here some basic concepts of chemistry is something which is called as mole concept, and that is concept of atom, molecule, element, compound, laws of chemical combination, mole concept, molar mass, percentage, chemical equations and stoichiometry. Means chapter 1 is your part of the syllabus. It is a part of the syllabus where you deal with the entire mole concept, the concentration terms, limiting reagent, empirical formula, molecular formula, all the see, it has been explicitly written about empirical formula, molecular formula, then your percentage composition and everything is also given, which stands for concentration terms. Right? So, chapter 1, class 11th, is there a part of the syllabus. Moving forward, we have atomic structure, nature of radiation, photoelectric effects, spectrum, Bohr model, then dual nature, de Broglie, Heisenberg, quantum mechanics, quantum wave model, concept. Okay, then we have quantum numbers and their significance. Everything in chapter 2 is covered. Class 11th chapter 2 is in your syllabus. You have to remember that class 11 chapter 2 is in your syllabus. Now, third chapter, which is periodic, as I mentioned, has been deleted from it. So that is something which is not to be read, not to be done. Although when it comes to basics of inorganic chemistry, you cannot deal without periodic chapter. But as a part of the NTA syllabus, third chapter need not be taken for now. Okay. Then we have chapter 4, bonding. Bonding may we have something which is called as ionic bonding, covalent bonding, then valence bond theory, hybridization, resonance, everything is there. Means my chapter 4, class 11th NCRT. Okay, in the new chapter, in the new NCRT, third chapter is not even there. So it becomes chapter 3 if you use it referring to the new NCRT. However, in case you old NCRTs are also the same. So in that case, chapter 4 was for the chemical bonding. So basically, this chemical bonding chapter will be dealt incomplete. Will be dealt incomplete. Okay. The next is chemical thermodynamics, means states of matter, also called as gaseous state. Now it's not there. It is not a part of the syllabus now. So that Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Dalton's law of partial pressure, then something is called an ideal gas, real gas equation. So, what is that called as? Viscosity and and surface tension. All these things are not there. So chemistry chapter number 5 of the old NCRT, which is states of matter, is not a part of the syllabus. Right? Coming to thermodynamics, you have system surroundings, first law, second law, delta G. It is completely there. This is chapter number 6, class 11th. This is there. It is there in your syllabus. And the next is your solutions. Oh, okay. For anyway, solutions anyways comes from class 12th. But we will talk about it. Equilibrium is class 11th, and so equilibrium is also completely there, which means chapter 7, class 11 is also a part of your syllabus. So now quickly summarizing book 1, quickly summarizing class 11th book 1. We have mole concept, comma, we have atomic concept, comma, we have bonding, then thermo, and then equi, right? So how many chapters that you get? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 chapters gone, which is periodic and states of matter from book 1. Now coming to book 2, we have something which is called as solutions. We will talk about it. It's in class 12th basically. Redox reactions and electrochemistry. Yes, it is there, redox reactions. Chapter 8, which is book 2, class 11th. Chapter 1 of that chapter. Chapter 1 of book 2, redox reactions, it's a part of your syllabus. Then chemical kinetics, we will talk about it. Okay, so now physical chemistry is all done. We come here, then we had something called as solutions. This is class 12th, chapter 1. Technically, solutions used to be the chapter number 2. In the new NCRT, it has come as chapter number 1. So means what is deleted syllabus here? The deleted syllabus is solid state. Right? Solid state chapter is now cut. Chapter 1 solids, then solutions, electrokinetics, surface metallurgy, P block, D block, coordination is my book 1. Now here solutions is a part of syllabus. Solid state is now no more. Right? Solid state is not there in your syllabus now. Crystal lattice, BCC, FCC, HCP, packing percentage, packing fractions, nearest neighbors, coordination number, all those things are not a part of your syllabus now. Okay, right. The next chapter that we have from class 12th is chemical kinetics. Yes, it's from chapter number 2. It is chapter number 3 basically in your NCRTs, probably not even 3. It's going to be chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. And what is that? It says chemical class 12th kinetics book 2, book 1. Right? Book 1 chemical kinetics. This is also a complete chapter that is there in your syllabus. Yeah, then comes to periodic is covered here. Periodic classification is covered. I think did I copy that something here? Atomic chapter 4. Okay, just 1 minute. Periodicity classification, it is there a part of your syllabus. Chapter 3, class 11. Right? Chapter 3, class 11, book 1 only. Periodic classification, this is also complete. So basically, the starting 5 chapters of class 11th are all a part of the syllabus. Remember that, that is going to be really, really helpful. P block 13 to 18. Now the main battle is roaming around here. Main battle. This is the battlefield for now. On what does these 3 lines about inorganic chemistry say? Right? DNF block, yes, it's coming in complete. Right? DNF block is complete, and this is class 12th chapter. Coordination compounds is again complete. Coordination compounds, class 12th, this is complete. Right? This is also complete. But yes, we need to check always that my isomerism is covered or not. And you see, it is actually covered here. So this chapter is complete. Coordination chemistry, coordination compounds chapter is 100% in your syllabus for NEET 2024. Right? Then you have organic chemistry. Purification of organic compounds is more towards GOC. This is GOC for us in NCRT, General Organic Chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry, again GOC. Then you have chapter number 15, which is called as hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So my hydrocarbon is also complete. Right? Hydrocarbons complete, which is class 11th. Then you have your next chapter, organic compounds containing halogens. Haloarenes are there. Right? Haloarenes are there. Then organic compounds containing oxygen, alcohol, phenol, and ether. They are there, and then aldehydes and ketones also, and acids. So these 3 chapters are there. Then compounds containing nitrogen is also there, which is amines. Then we have biomolecules, fixed chapters, and then we have principles related to practical chemistry. And yes, right? So basically, what all chapters are not there in 11th states of matter? The eliminated syllabus, is your states of matter, right? Is your states of matter. Then book 2 you have hydrogen, S block, right? S block. Then P block still no clarity. So P block the suggestion is we will read this in complete. Then solid state out, surface out, extraction out means metallurgy out, right? States of matter, hydrogen, S block, solid state, surface, metallurgy. After metallurgy, we have chapter of coordination. Okay, P block we have taken, D and F is still there in the syllabus. You come to book 2, haloalkylamines, polymers, not there. Then environmental chemistry, also your chemistry in everyday life. So all these chapters are already cut from your syllabus. So my only suggestion to all of you would be that before you start your preparation, you should be very clear on what the syllabus is, what the journey is, and what's going to be the result. Without knowing the syllabus, in case you are reading surface chemistry, metallurgy, solid state, polymers, then it will not help you win the battle in the exam. So what you have to focus is very strategized preparation on the new updated syllabus that NTA has given. Even we would actually resume the studies on the basis of new curriculum only. Any overlapping with the chapters which is eliminated versus non-eliminated, we will discuss as and when we proceed. Alright, so do watch this video for the updated syllabus. You can download the circular as well from the NTA's website so that we can work together. Right? So take care, guys, and more focus, more systematic, more approach based. Your strategy should be defined. Right? Take care.